Do you want to build wealth? Do you want to be successful? Successful at anything for that matter? Well, here is your wake up call. You don't need a vision board. You need a reality check. Yeah. Everyone says dream big, but dreams don't get you paid. But you know what does? Pressure, clarity, and being brutally honest about what you don't want. I was thinking about this the other day, actually. I was in conversation the other day, and someone was saying, "Oh, you're doing this, you're doing that. Oh, watch out, department stores. She's coming through." And I thought, no, no, not at all. That's never been my MO. And even now, I didn't start building income streams because I wanted to buy luxury items and go on a shopping spree. I did it because I didn't want to borrow. I didn't want to ask anybody for anything. I don't want to continue to rob Peter to pay Paul. I built income streams because I didn't want to feel stuck ever again. Okay. And especially if you're working for someone, I know that feeling. I don't want to rely on one job, one employer. I always felt like any day now, your owner rolls out of bed and says, "You know what? I made enough money, so I'm just going to close up the business and retire early." Okay, so I guess that means I'm out of work? Like, what are we doing? So, no, I don't want to live with any regrets. That's why I build income streams. I don't want to continue to push off pursuing my own goals. I want it out of all of that. I want it out of the stress. I want it out of the paycheck to paycheck cycle. I want it out of being in survival mode. The real motivator, my real motivator, is being uncomfortable. That's the real motivator. Not dreams of what you're going to buy and the yachts and the cars and the expensive toys and the mindset. No. I mean, let me ask you, what don't you want your life to look like a year from now? Then what are you going to do about it? Because if you're serious about building income streams, starting a business, or being successful at anything, you need to start with a fire, not a fantasy of what you can buy or do after the fact. To get started, you need that fire. And if you can name at least one thing that you refuse to settle for, there's nothing you can't build. Get uncomfortable.